Hello Joe, today from Prestige Cars Kent. Today with this new in stock 2018 Toyota RAV4 iHybrid. Today I'm just going to run through a couple of the standout features and specifications on this vehicle, just starting with your exterior. The car is finished in a Barcelona red metallic paintwork. You have the rear spoiler, the gloss black painted alloy wheels, the privacy glass on the rear windows, the black painted power adjustable heated door mirrors, the hybrid badging on both front wings, your LED daytime running lights with your LED headlights and your LED tail lights. Moving into the interior, you can find your leather upholstery, your heated drivers and front passenger seats, the electrically adjustable driver's seat with your memory function and the power lumbar support, the dual zone climate control, your reversing camera and your parking sensors, the 3-spoke leather multi-function steering wheel with cruise control accessible from here, the leather handbrake grip and your gear selector, your Alcantara texture on the lower dashboard, your remote boot release on the cabin and on your key. You have the 7-inch touchscreen display where you can locate DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, your trip computer and your Toyota online services. You have the reclining rear seats with the 60/40 split folding rear seats, and you also have the power operated tailgate. If you'd like to know anything more about this vehicle or to book a test drive, please get in contact with the sales team or inquire for our website.